watch him. All right, homie, I'm coming through. Yeah, Jeep coming over in front of me. These people just don't want to get their ankles cold, and I'm going to have to roll through this traffic light because I can't stop. If I stop, I won't get going again. They dirtied the snow a little bit, Terry, but they didn't do a daggum thing. Most of it. And everybody's been rolling through these red lights. It just must be a Asheville thing, but I stopped back yonder down. O'Reilly's was open, and I had to park up on the road to get down in the driveway, get down in the parking lot. Yeah, that bad. And I don't know where this cat over here at the law thinks he's going, but I'll go get him. I just had a dickhead that I went 2 miles up the road. Well, actually, I wasn't that far. I was already up there, but I went to get him, and he expected me to come up a 45 degree to get to his apartment, and all he wanted to do was go a half mile and get 2 6-packs of beer. And then when he got in my van, I just run it through the car wash to knock all the ice off of it. He started pounding his boots in the van. I just reached over and forearmed him. I said, dude, stop. So I might have garnered myself a 1 star, but that's okay. I gave him 1. Yeah. Well, where you been, man? Up to Charlotte? You come home, tried to lay down, take a nap, and forgot to turn your phone off? Oh. Okay. Yeah, as usual. Yeah. All right. Right. Well, let me pick this guy up and see what he's wanting to do, and I'll get back to you after a while.